Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Horizon, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today we're diving into an exciting review of the Bybit Referral program and how you can maximize your trading benefits using our exclusive referral code 82500. Let's get started. First, let's talk about Bybit itself. Founded in 2018, Bybit has quickly become a significant player in the cryptocurrency market. With a mission to provide a secure and efficient trading environment, Bybit offers a variety of services tailored to both new and experienced traders. Bybit operates globally, providing access to users in multiple countries. Their mission is to make cryptocurrency trading accessible and user-friendly for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Bybit has something to offer. Now let's dive into the Bybit Referral program. This program is a fantastic way to earn extra benefits by inviting friends to join the platform. By using our referral code 82500 during sign-up, you can unlock exclusive bonuses and enjoy reduced trading fees. So, what kind of bonuses can you get? There are several types of bonuses available through the referral program. First, there are welcome bonuses for new users. These bonuses give you a great start and a little extra boost when you first join. Next, we have deposit bonuses and trading fee discounts. These bonuses help you save money as you trade, making your investments go further. Finally, Bybit often runs special event bonuses and promotions that you definitely don't want to miss. So, how do you use the Bybit referral code? Let's go through the process step by step. First, visit the Bybit website or download their app. Click on the Sign Up button and fill in your details. Make sure to enter our referral code 82500 during the registration process to access the exclusive bonuses. Once you've signed up, you can start participating in various bonus programs by meeting the required criteria, such as making a deposit or completing a trade. Bybit makes it easy to earn and maximize these bonuses, so be sure to check out their promotions page regularly. Next, let's talk about trading fees. Bybit offers competitive fees starting at just 0.1%. You can further reduce these fees by using their native token. This makes Bybit an attractive option for both small and large traders. Compared to other major exchanges, Bybit's fees are very competitive. They also have low withdrawal and deposit fees, which is great for maximizing your returns. Bybit is packed with features and services to meet all your trading needs. They support a wide range of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to the latest altcoins. Whether you're into spot trading, futures, margin trading, or even P2P trading, Bybit has got you covered. Other great features include Bybit Earn, where you can stake your coins and earn interest, and the Bybit Launchpad, which provides early access to promising new projects. The user interface on Bybit is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. The website and app are easy to navigate, with all the tools you need right at your fingertips. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll find the platform straightforward and efficient. Customer support is another crucial aspect, and Bybit doesn't disappoint. They offer 24/7 support via live chat and email. Additionally, Bybit has a vibrant community forum and a wealth of educational resources to help you get the most out of your trading experience. Having 24/7 support means you can get help whenever you need it. The community forum is also a great place to learn from other traders and share your experiences. Security is a top priority for Bybit. They use two-factor authentication, cold storage for the majority of funds, and regular security audits. Plus, they have an insurance fund to cover any potential breaches, which adds an extra layer of protection. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is essential for any serious trader. Bybit also conducts regular security audits to ensure the platform remains secure. Their insurance fund is another great feature that provides peace of mind. Bybit is also committed to regulatory compliance. They have taken significant steps to meet requirements in various jurisdictions, ensuring a safe and legal trading environment for all users. This commitment to compliance helps build trust and ensures that Bybit remains a reliable platform for trading. So, what are the pros and cons of using Bybit? On the plus side, you have a wide range of cryptocurrencies, competitive trading fees, advanced security measures, and excellent customer support. On the downside, some users have noted that the sheer number of features can be overwhelming at first, and there are occasional regulatory challenges. Overall, the advantages far outweigh the disadvantages, making Bybit a top choice for crypto traders. To wrap things up, Bybit is a robust and reliable platform with a lot to offer. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, Bybit has the tools and features to support your trading journey. Remember to use our Bybit referral code 82500 when you sign up to enjoy some fantastic bonuses and reduced trading fees. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tips and reviews. Also, let us know in the comments if you've used Bybit and what your experience has been. Happy trading with Bybit. Until next time, happy trading with Bybit, and don't forget to use the referral code 82500.